exclusively. I know it don't make it easy to even wanna see it. Nothing old, nothing new. But if there's two things I know, it's that the sky looked white and the water like wine when I first met you. But somewhere along the line, Rayleigh scattered across my